E by Nescafe is the perfect answer to all your coffee requirements, guaranteeing great coffee right at your fingertips. Let me show you how easy it is to get your perfect cup with E. Start by pairing E with your smartphone by following these quick steps. Get ready to make coffee from your phone. You can choose from a variety of recipes: hot, cold, black, creamy. Wow! I have the whole cafe menu right here. Let's try a cappuccino. And my creamy cappuccino is ready in less than 2 minutes.